Hi everyone, welcome back to Budget Buying. In today's video, we're exploring the best instant camera to help you capture life's most precious moments. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo. Let's get started. Product feature. Experience 100 different creative expressions by mixing and matching 10 unique lens effects with 10 classic film effects to suit any mood or setting. Take full artistic control over your photography by manually adjusting the color, exposure, and white balance for every single shot you take. Shoot comfortably in any position with dual shutter buttons designed specifically for effortless portrait and landscape photography. Frame yourself perfectly every time using the convenient built-in selfie mirror, making sure your spontaneous self-portraits are always centered. Capture the fine details of your world with a dedicated macro mode that allows you to get up close and personal with your favorite subjects. Enjoy modern digital convenience with a micro SD card slot and a smartphone app that lets you save, transfer, and share your images instantly. Transform your digital life into physical keepsakes by printing photos directly from your smartphone via Bluetooth using the free Instax Mini Evo app. Pros: this camera is a wonderful bridge between the past and the future. You get the soulful, tactile feeling of an instant print combined with the safety of a digital screen. This means you only print the photos you truly love, saving you money on film. The creative filters are incredibly fun and let you add a heartfelt, artistic touch to every memory you share with friends. Cons: because the prints are the classic mini size, they might feel a bit small for those who prefer large format photography. Additionally, the wide variety of creative combinations is exciting, but it might take a little bit of time for beginners to master all the different settings to find their perfect signature look. Final thoughts. Choosing this camera is about more than just photography. It is about celebrating the beauty of your daily life. It invites you to be playful, to experiment, and to treasure the moments that usually fly by. Whether you are at a wedding or a quiet walk in the park, it helps you turn fleeting glances into permanent, beautiful keepsakes that you can hold on to forever. Capture your world in a whole new way. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Budget Buying and like this video so you never miss out on our latest finds. See you next time.